The cost is actually not going to be crazy high, like less than a car.
Imagine a future where humanoid robots walk among us, not as distant fantasies but as practical tools in our daily lives. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's a reality being shaped by Tesla. Introducing Tesla Optimus, the humanoid robot that has captivated the world with its promise to combine affordability, durability, and advanced technology. Priced at less than $20,000, Optimus is poised to outshine its competitors and become a household and industrial staple. But what makes this robot so groundbreaking? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Tesla Optimus and uncover why it's creating waves across the globe. A humanoid robot for less than the cost of a car, can you believe this? When Elon Musk announced Tesla Optimus, many skeptics doubted it could be a game-changer. After all, humanoid robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas and other high-tech bots cost upwards of $75,000 to $150,000. However, Musk shattered expectations by revealing that Optimus would be priced under $20,000, a fraction of what other robots cost. At this price point, Tesla's robot isn't just affordable, it's revolutionary. Imagine owning a robot that can clean your home, assist the elderly, and even work in factories, all for less than the cost of a car. What really makes Tesla Optimus unique? 1. Powered by cutting-edge battery technology. Tesla Optimus runs on 4,680 battery cells, the same innovative technology powering Tesla's electric vehicles. These batteries give Optimus the ability to operate for 12 hours in a home environment before requiring a recharge. With a 2.3 kilowatt-hour capacity, the robot can handle everything from tidying up to assisting with childcare. When its battery drops to 15%, Optimus autonomously connects to its charging station, taking just an hour to fully recharge before resuming tasks. This energy efficiency is unmatched. Tesla's decision to avoid higher voltages, which could be hazardous to humans, demonstrates its commitment to safety while ensuring long-lasting performance. The combination of advanced lithium iron phosphate (LFP) cells and 4,680 battery technology makes Optimus both durable and cost-effective. 2. Durability like no other. One of Optimus's standout features is its impressive 20-year lifespan, a significant leap compared to other robots with lifespans of 5 to 10 years. This durability stems from Tesla's meticulous selection of high-quality materials like 7075 aluminum alloy for the outer shell and fatigue-resistant composite plastics. These materials strike a perfect balance between strength and lightweight design, enabling Optimus to withstand both harsh industrial environments and everyday household use. Even the robot's internal components, such as its gears and motors, are crafted from premium materials like stainless steel and aluminum alloys. These choices minimize friction, reduce maintenance needs, and ensure stable performance over decades. 3. Intelligence beyond imagination. Tesla Optimus doesn't just perform tasks, it learns and evolves. Equipped with an advanced neural network, the robot continuously improves its performance by analyzing its environment. What's even more remarkable is its ability to share knowledge with other Optimus units. This collective learning system allows the robots to exchange data, build shared understanding, and adapt to new challenges, all without human intervention. For example, if one Optimus learns how to navigate a complex factory floor, it can instantly share this knowledge with others, boosting overall efficiency. This feature is reminiscent of Tesla's self-driving car technology, highlighting the company's expertise in creating intelligent systems. 4. Remarkable mobility and versatility. Optimus's movement is designed to mimic human agility. With a walking speed of up to 4 miles per hour, it navigates smoothly across various terrains. Its carefully engineered feet and ankle-like joints provide stability and flexibility, allowing it to climb stairs and adapt to uneven surfaces. Tesla has also made significant strides in improving Optimus's hand design. Featuring 22 degrees of freedom, the robot's 5-fingered hands can perform intricate tasks like folding clothes, preparing meals, and even playing the piano. This level of dexterity sets Optimus apart from other humanoid robots, which often rely on claw-like hands with limited functionality. 5. Autonomous charging, a game-changer. Optimus takes convenience to the next level with its fully autonomous charging system. When its battery runs low, the robot seamlessly connects to a charging station, thanks to a rear-facing charging port and advanced camera systems. This process is entirely self-managed, ensuring uninterrupted operation without human intervention. This level of autonomy is a testament to Tesla's expertise in automation technology. But why does Tesla Optimus really matter? 1. Affordability meets functionality. The $20,000 price tag isn't just a number, it's a statement. By making high-tech robotics accessible, Tesla is democratizing technology. Businesses can replace expensive manual labor with efficient robots, while households can enjoy the convenience of a personal assistant. This affordability also positions Optimus as a key player in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and logistics. 2. Sustainability at its core. Tesla's mission of sustainability is evident in Optimus's design. The 4680 battery technology minimizes the need for frequent replacements, reducing electronic waste. Additionally, the robot's long lifespan ensures that users get maximum value with minimal environmental impact. 3. A new era of workforce automation. Optimus isn't just a robot, it's a workforce revolution. In factories, it can perform repetitive tasks with precision, reducing human intervention and errors. Tesla envisions deploying thousands of Optimus units in its own gigafactories, replacing up to 70% of manual labor roles while creating new opportunities for technical staff. What's next for Tesla Optimus? Tesla has ambitious plans for Optimus. By 2025, the company aims to produce over 5,000 units annually, with production costs decreasing by up to 40% each year. This will further drive down prices, making the robot even more accessible. The next generation Optimus, or Gen 3, is expected to feature faster mobility, enhanced hand functionality, and improved adaptability for complex tasks. Tesla is also working on equipping the robot to handle challenging terrains, further expanding its potential applications. Tesla Optimus isn't just a humanoid robot, it's a vision of the future. Combining affordability, durability, and cutting-edge technology, it has the potential to transform industries and redefine how we live and work. Whether it's assisting in factories, helping with household chores, or caring for the elderly, Optimus is set to become an indispensable part of our lives. Elon Musk's bold prediction that humanoid robots will surpass Tesla's car business in value may not be far-fetched. With Optimus, Tesla is proving that the future of robotics isn't just exciting, it's here, and it's accessible to everyone. Are you ready to welcome Tesla Optimus into your life? The countdown to 2025 has begun.